Hello students, continuing with the same chapter Protoplasm. Today we'll deal with lipids. The topic we're going to study is lipids. Lipids, they are made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, where carbon and oxygen ratio is never same. Next, sometimes small amount of phosphorus, nitrogen, sulfur are also present. Next, lipids are esters of fatty acid. They include cooking oil, butter, ghee, natural rubber which are extracted from the tree, etc. Next, they are insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvents like chloroform, acetone. Next, basic component of lipids are glycerol and second are the fatty acid chain. Next, we'll see the structure of glycerol. This glycerol acts as backbone in the fat molecule. There are CH2OH, CHOH and CH2OH. So this is the structure of glycerol. Next, fatty acids are organic acid with hydrocarbon chain including carboxylic group. Next is most fatty acids have even number of carbon atoms which are between 14 to 22 and they are mostly 16 or 18. There are two types of fatty. The two types are saturated fatty acids and next is unsaturated fatty acid. Saturated fatty acids are fatty acids which they do not have double bond in carbon chain, while unsaturated are the fatty acid they have one or more double bond in carbon chain. Next, saturated fatty acids have high melting point. They need high temperature for breaking the bond and they are solid at room temperature. Next, in case of unsaturated fatty acid, they have low melting point and are liquid at room temperature. We see the examples. The examples of saturated fatty acids are palmitic acid, which is made up of single bond, containing 16 carbons, C16, H32, O2. Next is stearic acid. Stearic acid. It is 18 carbon, C18, H36, O2. Well, the example in case of unsaturated fatty acids are linoleic acid having 18 carbon, C18, H32, O2, and oleic acid, C18, H34, and O2. This is the example of unsaturated fatty acid. Now, the calorific value of lipids are 9 kilocal per gram, maximum among all biomolecules, and the daily requirement to a body is 50 gram per day. Now we'll further classify the T. Then next is classification of lipids. Classification of lipids will broadly divide lipids into 3 categories. Simple lipids. Next is compound lipid, and next is derived lipids. Next, first we'll deal with simple lipids. These lipids are formed by fatty acid and glycerol. We further categorize the simple lipids into 2, fat and oil, and next is waxes. Fat and oil are simple triglycerides, while waxes contain sperm, whale wax, and bee wax. This is about the simple lipids. Now compound lipids. They are composed of fatty acids, alcohol, and other compounds such as phosphorus, amino, nitrogen, and carbohydrates. When any other group is joined or ligated with the fatty acid, they are called as compound. They are further categorized into 2 types. Phospholipid. Here a phosphate group is ligated with a lipid. For example, lecithin, cephalin. Next is sphingomyelin. The next type is glycolipid. Glycolipid includes, these are the lipids combined with the any glucose molecule: nervone, ferrinosine. Next, derived are lipids. Derived lipids are the lipids which are obtained from hydrolysis of simple and compound lipids. They are further divided into three categories. The three categories are: first is steroid, steroid includes C29, C28, C27 steroid, and C24 steroids. Next is terpenes. Terpenes includes dienterpenes, monoterpenes, and polyterpenes. Last is carotenoid. Carotenoid includes pigments like lycopene, carotene, xanthophyll, and tetraterpenes. So this is further classification of lipids. Now next is significance of lipids. Significance of lipids. Significance of lipids includes they take part in synthesis of steroids, hormones, vitamin D. Next, they act as solvent for fat soluble vitamin such as vitamin A, D, E and K. Next, they are found in form of phospholipid, glycolipid and steroid. Next, unsaturated fatty acids. Saturated fatty acids are healthy for us as they do not store, get decomposed and get excreted out of the body. This is for lipids. Thank you.